Good morning, family. It is Saturday. What are we going to do this weekend?
I am going to play video games. I am going to play all day.
No. No. We are going to go outside. I am going to ride my new bike.
We cannot do both. We need a plan. Are you going to play games all weekend, Sam?
Yes, it is going to be great.
But it is going to be sunny today.
Mia is right. The weather is going to be beautiful. We are not going to stay inside today.
Oh no, what are we going to do then?
We are going to go to the park.
I am not going to ride a bike.
Huh. What are you going to do at the park, Sam?
I don't know. Read a book?
Huh. You are going to play catch with me.
I guess I am going to play catch.
Good. We are going to have a picnic too.
Yay! Are we going to eat sandwiches?
No. We are going to make hot dogs.
Awesome! Who is going to cook them?
I am going to cook them on the grill.
Is Mom going to come with us?
Yes, she is going to meet us there.
What is she going to bring?
She is going to bring drinks and snacks.
This is going to be the best day ever.
Okay, I am going to get my shoes. Wait. We are going to need sunscreen.
I am going to put my helmet on.
Dad, are we going to take the car?
Yes, we are.
No, we are going to walk to the park.
But the cooler is going to be heavy.
You are going to help me carry it, Sam.
I knew you were going to say that.
I am going to ride ahead of you.
No, you are going to stay close to us.
Okay, Dad. I am going to wait for you.
All right, team. Are we ready to go?
Yes. I am going to grab the other handle.
We are going to have so much fun.
Yes, we are going to enjoy the weekend.
Next weekend, I am going to play video games.
Let's review. I am going to.
I am going to play catch.
She is going to meet us.
We are going to have a picnic. Wow! What are you going to do today?
What are
You going to do today?